AI secrets small business owner don't know. So, let me ask you something. What if I told you that AI can do hours of business work in just a few minutes? What happened is most business owners know about AI, but they don't know what's the powerful way to actually use it. In this video, I will show you AI secrets that many business owners still don't know. So welcome to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Group. So the problem many business owners think AI is only for writing content, making images, basic tasks, but the truth is AI can help you with business strategy, productivity and decision making. The problem is most people don't ask AI the right question. So, let me show you some powerful examples. Secret 1. Business idea. Most people ask AI simple question, but if you ask the right prompt, AI can generate business idea based on your skills. So, the prompt which you'll be using is let me practical demo is suggest 10 business idea based on this skill. Communication, marketing and sales. AI will instantly give you multiple ideas. This is like having a business consultant available 24 by 7. Secret 2. Find business, find customers problem. Another powerful secret is using AI for market research. So the prompt which we'll be using, for example, what are the biggest problems small business owner face in marketing? AI will show you customer pain point, common struggle, opportunities for new services. This helps you build better product. Now the secret three, save hours of works. AI can also act like your personal productivity assistant. For example, the prompt should be as plan my workday as a small business owner with 5 priority tasks. AI will structure your day and help you focus on the most important work. So the result which you'll be getting is when you start using AI this way, you will think faster, work smarter, generate better ideas, save times every day. AI is not just a tool. It's like having a team member helping you think and plan. So, if you want to learn AI simple and practical way to use AI for business, subscribe to Smart Step Learning AI for Business Growth. I will share real AI strategies that helps business owner to grow faster. Thank you for watching.